Not too high. Finally got another big tree like at the old house. That's good. You like it up there? After the boys play baseball, they'll come play with you, okay? Where you going? Okay. Finally found another big tree. I know. Yeah, it's the Jesus tree. Well, that's a good name. That's a good name. Don't forget to pick up any stuff you have over here. You want to go to the baseball field or no? No?